Good morning. Good morning, students. My name is Mrs. S. Ojha. I am going to teach you computer. In your book, there are 9 chapters. I am taking first chapter in this class. The title of chapter is Introduction to Flash CS6. Student, do you know why we use animation? Animation is basically used to create cartoons, movies, uh, for kids and in different places. So animation played a very important role in our life. So let's learn what is an animation. An animation is the simulation of movement created by displaying a series of pictures or frame like cartoons, movies, PowerPoint presentation, etc. Actually, animation is one of the chief ingredient of multimedia presentation. There are many softwares applications that enables you to create animation that you can display on a computer monitor. Okay, so let's learn about a software which provide a facility to create animation. The software is Adobe Flash. We also call this software Flash. It is a multimedia graphics software that is used to create interactive animate vector graphics for the web as well as for desktop presentations, movies, games, etc. So let's see how to start Flash. First, click on Start, then click on All Programs, click on Adobe Flash Professional CS6. Fourth step is click on Create New Section, then Action Script 3.0 option. Then Flash window will appear. See the Flash window. This is the Flash window. Okay. There is 8 component. See, first is title bar, second is menu bar, and third is tool panel, fourth is stage or movie area, fifth is timeline, sixth is library panel, and seventh is color panel, and then eighth is property inspector. This is the Flash window. Okay. Actually, Flash window is used to create the Flash document, and each component have different works like title bar is shows the title of the movie. Menu bar is a set of menus such as file, edit, view, insert, and help. These menus option includes command access the most of the feature of the Flash program. Then next is tools panel. Tool panel is provide to facility to draw, to color, to give fill, sketch, create object, change orientation of the object, and so many functions. Then third is stage or movie area. Movie area is used to create movie for movie or object. Then fifth one is timeline. Timeline is used to give the time to the movie. And sixth is property inspector. Property inspector is used to give the property or attribute of particular tools. Then Seventh is color panel. Color panel is used to give the color of object. Then last one is library panel. Library panel store the symbols. Okay children, let's revise this one. Now let's learn how to save a file in Flash. So you know, everywhere we just use the save as option. So click on the file menu, then save as dialog box will be appear. Then write the file name and select the location and click on save button. After that, next topic is toolbox overview. So what is toolbox? Toolbox is a set of tools which provide various tools to draw, graphics, fill color, gradient, modify the shape drawn by tools, etc. There is different number of tools. So let's see. Selection tool, free transform, lasso tool, pen tool, line tool, pencil tool, deco tool, bone, eyedropper, hand tool, stroke tool, black and white tool, snap to object, fill color, swap color, zoom, eraser, paint bucket, brush, rectangle, text, 3D rotation, sub selection, etc. So we will discuss in this chapter each and every tool line by line, and also in next class I will show practical to you by all these tools. Okay children, this is your theory class. So let's see selection tool. What is selection tool? Selection tool is used most commonly to select and move an item or multiple items on the stage. Means we can create multiple items also, we can move item, we can select the item from the selection tool. Okay children, let's take another tool, sub selection tool. Sub selection tool is companion of the pen and it is found in the tool panel, right side of the toolbox. Okay, so to edit or move individual anchors point, means if we select an object, then there is different number of points will be created. Then we just touch one point and move that point, then shape will be increases in particular direction. So this is the work of sub selection tool. Okay, then lasso tool. The lasso tool is used to select a non-regular shaped portion of an object like tree outline. So we can by the lasso tool we can select irregular selection, means no measurement of the selection, any kind of selection we can give by the lasso tool. Okay children, so now this is my theory class, and in next class I will take you practical and I will explain you how to use Flash by the computer system. So keep watching this video, read number of tools all and learn all the tools. Okay, and revise the video again. So thank you so much student. Okay, good.